Dollar index weekly chart breakout of lower trend line. First two blue candlestick upside closing, then breakout and closing below trend line. You can say surprise rate cut or rate cut by market. But rate cut is happening right now, but for newspaper headline type rate cut, you have to wait till September FOMC meeting. From May FOMC meeting to July FOMC meeting, first rate cut, dollar was down all the time, that was expectation. Now question is, when will be last rate cut, at what will be the size? Back to zero or just to 8%? Till then dollar can stay up. So technically this look like downside, sideways correction, triangle, then again downside breakout. Now dollar index daily chart up, AVC flat correction, breakout below 103, big static horizontal support level, 50% correction done, but still 61% correction 102. So this entire area is your buy zone and this level is static support level. This you can expect. If it goes down more, market become mad on ISM service PMI. If it show big surprise same like NFP last week, then more rate cut pricing can push dollar down, but it has to stop at 102 level. So 102, more it goes down toward this level, you can buy dollar and then up. Or if you think Fed will cut interest rate and go back to zero, then keep selling dollar, it is collapsing and USA will become same like Pakistan. Or if you think dollar reserve currency status will survive, confirmed by US 10-year bond yield last week, then it has to stop at 102 level. And once we have blue candlestick, the reversal will be confirmed. Now banks are saying that 25 basis point rate cut skip from Fed was policy mistake that will trigger hard landing. And if NFP number have come before FOMC meeting, then sure Fed will be doing rate cut last week. So weak dollar till first cut, and you can expect strong dollar till last cut. Because if yield keep collapsing, dollar keep going down, then again you can expect economic boom same like March and re-acceleration of inflation. Again Euro USD weekly chart, price again testing almost their upper blue trend line, but every price outside this trend line is over about euro dollar and downside target test of lower trend line. And you can see Friday candlestick total vertical, total U-turn, all the sellers who were selling in that previous downtrend, all of them go on in just one candlestick in one news in one day. But first blue trend line, first this static resistance near 96 level. Same with GPUSD daily chart. This area big static horizontal resistance level, you can see multiple time tested, failed, breakout now below support level, now testing as resistance. So breakout, retest, and you can expect new lower low and next target will be 1.26. So you saw Bank of England rate cut last week. So this area current price near 128 big resistance and next support will be 126. USD JPY vertical line on daily chart. This was your June FOMC meeting. After that updated in Telegram. Do not buy at 159. Now you can see total collapse to 146 level. But if you see as macro, USD, that's mean Fed, they will cut in next FOMC meeting, market doing now. JPY, that's mean BOJ, they did hike last week. So fundamental reason bond market difference in two countries shrinking and pair is down and down in vertical line. There was direct question from Fed in FOMC meeting in June about that pair. Now you can see vertical dump. But at current price, Friday closing, this pair, first of all, highly oversold. Second thing, most crowded pair and upside correction possible. And once correction start, 152 retest possible, but technically and what market think right now, 162 is your top. And if you see chart pattern on daily time frame, then price came down testing upper trend line of this blue channel, closing below blue trend line of this channel, that's mean breakout. So every price outside this blue trend line of the channel is oversold. Scalper intraday buying opportunity. Or if it keep collapsing, does not stop, panic selling, because this is $1 trillion carry trade. 140 to 138, this area big static horizontal support level. If it goes down vertical line directly to that support zone, then you can buy in that area. And after that, big size correction you can expect. And you can see it is going down after ending diagonal chart pattern breakout. Like in the book, the vertical U-turn after end of triangle chart pattern after retest of upper trend line. But this pair melt up begin in January 2021 when policy difference and U-turn. USD CAD weekly chart price testing upper part of this range, big static horizontal resistance level, up from trend line working as support, a breakout. The next big resistance can be 146. Bitcoin daily chart sideways range, you can see price showing instant reaction to every update on QT monetary policy from Fed. They give direct date April 2025 when possible timing QT can end, immediately goes up. Then July FOMC meeting last week, zero mention of QT monetary policy again. So Fed secretly still doing QT. They said nothing about QT and nobody talking about how this is happening. Bond market doing rate cut and Fed doing QT both at the same time. And for range to break out after so much bullish news from Trump, still it is going down. To change from QT to QE, you have to wait. Without market crash, QE is not happening again. Now oil weekly chart, price testing lower trend line of this chart pattern once again. Fourth retest, big dynamic support level. If it break out, then hard landing USA panic. Price can go back to 42. Prisoner swap news, oil going back to 42. In this situation, everything looks in favor of Biden, not Putin. So if lower trend line break out and if Putin got higher oil price in exchange, we will only know after breakout of upper trend line. But fastest way to confirm, be careful and watch if lower trend line breakout or not. As long as price trading out this trend line, bullish possibility and you can expect retest of upper trend line. Silver H4 chart, price goes above 28.5 level 2 times, rejection both times, same like expected last week. So if price goes up again about 28.5 but near 29.5 level you can sell, but target will be new lower low below 28.5 level. So gold and GDX both came down Friday. Gold went up again but GDX gave you red closing. So next big support area near 33 level and price is coming down from retest of upper trend line. If you see COT position, they are decreasing last week. Watch carefully how market react to PMI number this week. Low number, that's mean more market pricing. But you can see NAP number for that 3%, good for gold trade, but still you have red candlestick and people are confused. Gold must fly above 2500, but still red candlestick in GDX and why gold came down after NAP number. Repeating again, NAP is most lagging indicator. If it is going down, it is already too late. And it goes like this, slowly, then all of a sudden in vertical line. So soon you can expect zero NAP number. And if NAP number is zero, soon you can expect CPI number is zero. And when CPI is zero, decide yourself what is this. If you see SP 500 H4 chart, market wants rate cut right now, like Goldman Sachs Bank said. They skipped SP 500 collapsed and made new low and closed red last week after 4.3% UR, which I explained in detail with example of US 10-year bond yield. Market want going back to 0%, but this thing will not happen this time. If happen, then instantly it can fly above 5600, but if it not go back to 0%, 2.8% like Fed said in June SEP, that will be source of market crash. This market is addicting to 0% interest rate and Fed QE. Both are not happening now or not anytime soon. If you see pattern, retest of upper trend line, breakout, retest of lower trend line, new low. If you see wave counting, AVC, which you can call W, counter trend correction ABC, X, now down again, we are in wave Y. As long as price trading below this area 5650, this can be your top. After Friday NFP, soon you can expect 0 NFP coming very fast. And 50 basis point, which JP Morgan Bank is saying, 2 rate cut, both 50, big size in 1 year, that will be big panic sign. Same with Nasdaq, H4 chart, you can see 5 impulsive wave, then counter trend correction up, down again. From this area, either we are in ABC wave or next level 135 wave. Big breakout of trend line, counter trend correction down again, down almost 10%. And this is happening when market wanted 25 basis point cut and Fed skipped. This is your magical power of Fed. When everyone think rate cut is dovish, good for stock and gold, while Fed do magical thing and turn dovish monetary policy into hawkish one. Cut will happen, but it will react like hawkish like hike. And Nvidia stock daily chart down almost 40%. If this is the foundation of your AI bubble, repeat of .com bubble, then it is down 40%. There must be huge panic secretly, and it is visible on chart and on social media and news company. Upside correction is possible and it can return back to 120, but question is 140 top will survive this correction or not, because 40% down is big thing in this Nvidia bubble. So Nvidia make top before SP 500 and it has made lower low with lower high, clear technical downtrend. So if it goes down without making counter trend correction, more panic. But I think short-term recession trade unwinding is possible. Now they are crossing limit. And if you remember that thing what Nvidia CEO did is not magical thing. Since that activity, Nvidia is down top to bottom almost 40%. And same election politics, pre-election economic boom is coming again, then it must go like this, up before and after election, or economic boom is not coming like 22 and 23, then it will go like this, down before and after election. Because market is pricing more than remaining FOMC meeting this year, that's mean emergency rate cut. For this thing to work, we need more market crash, more meltdown in stocks. In USD JPY, you have seen this ending diagonal chart pattern, same like book. Third test of upper trend line, then vertical line downtrend. I have already made how to trade inlet wave ending diagonal chart pattern more than a year ago, full detailed video. And if people are confused about gold, how ending diagonal chart pattern work step by step, you can watch this video.